Peace, beautiful being. Welcome back to Collective Light. Today we are going to be doing some eye exercises. So as you can see, I have my glasses here. I have been wearing glasses since I was in the second grade. And when I began to, I'm nearsighted as well as having an astigmatism. So my eyesight is pretty needs some exercises done probably on a daily basis. And so when I began to do yoga as a practice, I discovered that the eyes are they have muscles. And just like the muscles that we have in our body, we also need to exercise the muscles that we have in our eyes. So I'm going to be doing that with you today. And I do recommend, if you're like me and you wear contacts pretty often, I have realized that over time, doing these exercises without your contacts and without any type of aid actually helps a lot with being able to really see the effects of what these exercises are doing for your sight and your vision. I also have looked into just a little extra tip, but I have also looked into the herb eye bright, and that is something that is good for your eye health. And so that is something that we are very focused on for today's practice. These are exercises that you can do at any time. Uh, However, if you feel that you want to start your day, with before putting on your contacts or before getting fully started with your day and just want to be more visually aware of what's around you, this is a great practice to do first thing when you get up. So we will come together to a comfortable seat. If you do have your contacts or your glasses, we'll go ahead and remove those. And we'll be seated the entire time. So do what works for you here. Wherever you feel most comfortable, you can always adjust if you need to, as we will be focusing mostly on our eyes here. So when you come to this comfortable seat, excuse me, we will still have a nice, long, straight spine. Be fully aware of your body regardless. And we will start by finding one point of focus in front of you. That will be your center point. And then we'll begin by just only moving the eyes and not the head by looking up and looking down. Remember that you can look up and look down. Continue to move at your pace. And remember that you can blink your eyes. That is normal. Look up, down, up, down, looking up as far as you can, looking down as far as you can without moving your head. Down, up, down. Stay with it. We'll be here for about 10 more rounds. You can speed up the pace if you want. Just make sure that you are fully seeing whatever comes up and down for you. Here for 3, 2, and 1. Come back to your center point. Close your eyes, rub your hands together, create some energy, create some warmth in your palms. And then place your palms on top of your eyelids. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale to release. Good. You can release your palms, bring them back onto your thighs and open up your eyes. Come back to your center point. This time we will look to the right and to the left. Right and left. Not moving your head, just your eyes. Left, right, left. Stay with it. Move at your pace. Make sure you are looking as far out to the right, as far out to the left as you can. Right, left. Speed up a little bit. Right, left, right, left. Stay with it. Here for 10 more rounds. Ignore my background noise. Here for 3, 2, 1. Come to your center point. Close your eyes. Rub your hands together. Create that warmth in between your palms. And then place them on top of your eyelids. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Beautiful. Okay. Now we will be creating a box with our eyes, looking at as far as we can to each corner, starting with looking to the upper right corner. Gaze comes as far as you can here. And we'll go clockwise to begin. So we'll come down to that bottom right corner. Look as far as you can. Then to that left corner, as far as you can. Left bottom corner. And then left top corner. So top right, bottom left, top left, top right, bottom left, top left, right, left, create that box, right, left, top, bottom, top. Keep going, create that box at your pace. Stay with it. Then begin to speed up, creating circles as fast as you can, and then come to your center point, close your eyes, rub your palms together, plant your palms on top of your eyes, take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Good job. Now we'll reverse the direction, starting at your center point. This time we'll look to the top left corner. Look as far as you can. Bottom left. Bottom right. Top right. Top left. Bottom left. Bottom right. Top right. Left. Right. Create that box. Keep your head still. Move at your pace. Counterclockwise here. Begin to pick up the pace when you feel ready to do so. Creating circles as fast as you can. Come to your center point. Close your eyes. Rub your palms together. Bring them over your eyes. Take one deep breath in. One deep breath out. Beautiful. Okay, so now we will be working on how far our gaze can go. We'll start with one thumb, so we'll be using our thumbs as our point of focus. You start with your right thumb. Come to your center point, look right at that thumb. And then slowly bring it out to the side. Keep your gaze on your thumb without moving your head. Move as far back as your sight will take you. And then when you get to that point, slowly bring your thumb back. Keep your gaze at that point. Slowly come all the way back until you reach your center. Bring your thumb down. Come to your center point. We'll do that one more time on this side. Lift your thumb back up. Find that point right up on the tip of your thumb. Slowly begin to open it up to the side. Keep your gaze there. Find your points. Reverse the direction slowly. And come to your center. This time, bring your thumb down, close your eyes, rub your palms together. And then plant your palms on top of your eyelids. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Beautiful. So now we'll do the same thing on the left side. So bring your left thumb forward. Find that center point. Find a height that works for you before slowly moving that thumb out to the side. Keep your gaze there. Remember, it's okay to blink. Get to your points. And then reverse the direction. Slowly come back. Bring it down for a moment. Come to your center point. And then we're going to do it one more time. Bring that thumb back up. Look at the tip of your thumb. And then bring that gaze out slowly. Slowly reverse it when you're ready. Bring it back to your center. Bring it down, close your eyes, rub your palms together. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Release. We have 2 more exercises here. So we will now bring both thumbs forward. Look at the tip of both thumbs. Bring it to a height that works for you. Relax your shoulders. And then slowly begin to open away from one another. Look to your right thumb and your left. Right, left, right, left as you slowly open up. Just alternating thumbs. When you get to your points on both sides, continue to alternate as you bring it back. Into your center, bring it down. Look at your center point. We'll do that one more time. Inhale to extend your thumbs forward. Gaze at both of them in front. And then maybe start with the left this time. Alternate sides. Left, right, as you slowly bring them out. And then slowly bring it back. To your center point, close your eyes, rub your palms together, hands over your eyelids. Deep breath in, deep breath out. All right, last one. Do not look at me while you do this. But this is going to be very flat, fast blinking, as fast as you can here. My eyes are doing crazy things. That's what. Okay, we're working those muscles. So find one point of focus in front. Blink our eyes as fast as you can. And then I'll count down to 3 till we're done. Ready? Begin. As fast as you can. Stay with it. Here for 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes. Rub your palms together. Palms over your hand. Palms over your eyelids. Take a deep breath in. And exhale to release. We'll do that one more time. close it out. Okay. Come to your center point as fast as you can. Now count us down when your time comes. Ready? Begin. Stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Close your eyes. Let your arms. Last deep breath in. Deep breath out. Keep your eyes closed as you bring your palms up to your thighs. Draw your gaze to your first eye center, the point between your eyebrows right here, inward. Just notice what you see. Notice what comes up without adding any extra context to what comes up. Just notice. Stay here as long as you need. But whenever you're ready to open your eyes, before moving on to another screen or before moving on to anything quickly, just notice your surroundings. Bring your gaze around you. Just notice any differences that may have come up for you. I hope this helped. Practice this as often as you need to. Come back as much as you need to. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste. Pache. Peace.